Get into a car with value. 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The all-new Chevrolet Silverado. The full-size pickup with a heritage of strength and dependability, improved bed design, and expanded cargo capacity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, 8-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, remote engine start, fog lamps, backup camera, premium sound system. Bigger isn't always better, unless you're talking about power and cargo capacity. Don't miss the chance to test drive the all-new Silverado.